What use is an F-call? When you start in amateur radio, you'll come across the problem of rolling up coax and rope. If it goes the way as it went for me, you'll be doing what you always did, that is, winding up the coax on your arm until someone stops you and tells you you're doing it wrong. Then you're likely to be told about rolling out the coax into a straight line, and when you want to take it home after a field day, you'll either be rolling it onto a roll or physically hand over hand be rolling the coax into a circle. This is a regular pain in the alpha. I managed to seek some advice from people who do this for a living. Film crews and audio technicians. They have to roll up cable on a regular basis, and they don't do anything like I was told. Head on over to YouTube and search for how to properly roll cable. You'll come across a 1-minute 4-second video by Randy Coppinger. He shows you the over-under technique, and once you've mastered that, you'll never twist coax again, and your coax won't get damaged when you unroll it. You can use the same technique for power leads, for garden hoses, and in some cases rope. For many of the thin ropes you might use as guy wires for temporary antennas, you might want to look for a butterfly coil. There are lots of videos around, but the one that seems to explain it simply is the one by Joe Custer, How to Butterfly Coil a Slackline or Rope. These two techniques, over and under and butterfly coil, will make your coax and rope last much longer, and you'll spend many hours less untangling the mess or replacing kinked coax. I'm Ono, Victor Kilo 6 Foxtrot Lima Alpha Bravo.